I bought this golf retriever about a year ago at a thrift store for probably about $1. I couldn't let that pass up, but I knew I could use this for something. What kind of project could I use off of it? About a month ago, I was working on my car and I was unscrewing one of those nuts, and it just fell straight to the floor in the center of the vehicle. Sometimes you can take the nut out and then, boom, it falls right on the floor. And I tried to use one of these telescoping magnetic retrievers, but it just wasn't long enough. This is about 25 inches. Hey, how's it going down there? Well, that nut's way in the middle. Now what you can do is use one of these telescoping magnets, but sometimes it could just barely reach. Then it dawned on me, why don't I just add magnets to the bottom? This has a reach of over 60 inches. So with the golf retriever that I converted with magnets, it can basically go to the extent of the vehicle. So pretty much anywhere where the nut is, you can pretty much grab it. So all you have to do is just tap it on top, the magnet will grab it, and that's it. And it can pretty much accommodate any car, van, or truck. So here's what I use to put the magnets inside a golf retriever. First of all, you need a set of magnets. So I got these at a store called Daiso. And there's 4 in a pack and they're about $1.50. The second thing you need is some kind of good glue. I like to use this E6000 silicone glue because it's a very sturdy hold and it won't come off. So all you need to do is just put a little bit of silicone over the magnet and just put it in 3 opposite ends. You could do 4 if you want, but I use 3. And then, once again, when the nut's down there, you just place it over, just move it around, and usually 1 into 3 will grab it. So if you ever see one of these golf retrievers at the thrift store, I would say, get it, and you could always make a project off of it.